traps are such a cool way of finding out what wildlife's doing in the forest, because we can leave them out for weeks at a time and then go back and retrieve the cards and see what we found.
Here we are, we made it on the mountain, hooray! I did manage to fall down a very steep slope, but I'm alive. It's fine. They took pity on me and gave me a stick. And yeah, this is some idea. That's what we just walked up.
It doesn't do it justice.
It doesn't do it justice. And there's the camera. Woo! So let's have a look, see what's inside.
So look at this. Almost straight away, a couple of days after the camera is there, we've got a bear bumbling in. Look, that seems to be a cub. Oh, and here we've got the mama bear, or it looks like a mama bear, certainly a lot bigger than the previous one. We're also looking for a really rare species called the white-fronted Ecuadorian capuchin. Now, this is a critically endangered species, really small numbers of animals, very hard to see, normally up in the canopy. So what we've done is actually put some of our cameras up in the trees, facing upwards. As you can imagine, it's very hit and miss. Is anything going to swing by in front of that lens? And it did! I'm just absolutely made up by this image. This is just fantastic, exactly what we wanted. Beautiful white-fronted capuchin. We've got loads of animals in here. Look at this, we've got a puma. Now, the local community in this area didn't even know that they had pumas there. Now, this is really interesting because it's possible that some of those attacks on livestock that they've been talking about and thinking it was bears, maybe those attacks are pumas. Who knows? Something for us to work on going forward. We've also here got a paramo wolf, or at least that's what it used to be called. Now, people tend to use the word a colpeo, or an Andean fox. It looks foxy, but actually I think the paramo wolf name was better because it actually is more closely related to a wolf. And we've got loads of these other guys. Look, we've got a little opossum there. Oh, an armadillo. Oh, and tyras. These are incredible creatures. These are about the size of an otter, but instead of being in a river, they're wandering around, they're feeding on small mammals, they're also transporting seeds. And they pass through the gut of a tyra, and then the plant will germinate after they've passed them out through their gut. So this is us, off on an expedition, students from the University of Sussex helping, and they're going to be doing the analysis of the data that we get back. It's incredibly difficult, I have to say. It's an amazing privilege to work in this environment, but it is extremely hard. Even just staying upright is a challenge. Go Louise, go check that trap.